مرحباً.
Welcome to our channel, Learn with Safaa. Today, we're going to learn new words from the lesson
صباح كل يوم.
Every Morning. In this lesson, we're going to take a look at Sam's morning routine. Are you ready? Let's begin.
يغسل.
He washes. Let's repeat.
يغسل.
He washes.
ينظف.
He cleans. Let's repeat.
ينظف.
He cleans.
يتناول.
He eats. Let's repeat.
يتناول.
He eats.
يذهب.
He goes.
يذهب.
He goes.
يلعب.
He plays. Let's repeat.
يلعب.
He plays. Now, let's look at some words to describe meal times.
فطور.
Breakfast. Let's repeat.
فطور.
Breakfast.
غداء.
Lunch.
غداء.
Lunch.
عشاء.
Dinner. Let's repeat.
عشاء.
Dinner. Let's have a small recap.
يغسل.
He washes.
ينظف.
He cleans.
يتناول.
He eats.
يذهب.
He goes.
يلعب.
He plays.
فطور.
Breakfast.
غداء.
Lunch.
عشاء.
Dinner. Congratulations! We have completed our lesson today. If you like this video, please share and subscribe for more videos.
مع السلامة.